Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In one of my online classes the other day, we were talking about our experiences of bad weather. And students were talking about things like forest fires, areas where there's suddenly flash flooding and cars are washed away and so on. And one of my students is actually from the north of Finland. And she told this terrifying story of a near miss she once had, a close shave, a brush with danger. She was driving in the car with her husband, and it was quite late at night, and she hadn't quite put her winter tyres on yet, which is something that people often do in countries where you get a lot of bad weather in the winter, because I think it was September or October. And as she came round this corner, she hit this patch of black ice that she hadn't seen on the road. Black ice is the kind of invisible ice, the most dangerous kind that you don't notice. And it sent her car into a spin. The car started spinning around like crazy. And she thought she was a goner. She thought she was gonna die. And she said that as this was happening, her life basically flashed before her eyes. In other words, she started remembering all kinds of different events from her life in this moment of great danger where she thought that maybe she was going to die. And she said the strangest thing about it was she'd heard people in movies or when telling stories talk about their life flashing before their eyes. And she'd always assumed it was a kind of metaphor. It was meant figuratively, not literally. But she said as the car was spinning and she was waiting for some kind of terrible collision and awful impact, this is exactly what happened to her. Her life flashed before her eyes. And when the car stopped spinning and she calmed down, she suddenly had this strange feeling of having relived all of these parts of her life that she'd completely forgotten about up until that point. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comments section below, if you have any experiences where your life flashed before your eyes, we'd love to hear about them.